Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make dill pickle gummy worms. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. We're only a few days away from April 1st, and if you've been a compadre for a while, you probably think I'm going to be making something weird for April Fool's Day. Of course I am. I was looking for something to make for this annual event and happened across the Celebration Generation website and their recipe for dill pickle gummy worms. I like dill pickles, I like gummy worms, but will I like them together? Let's find out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own dill pickle gummy worms, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 3/4 cup of strained dill pickle juice, 4 envelopes of unflavored gelatin, and some green and yellow food coloring. I'm also using a saucepan, a whisk, an eyedropper, and a gummy worm mold. Okay, let's make some candy. In a saucepan, whisk the gelatin powder into the pickle brine. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the gelatin is completely dissolved. I have to say the smell of warm pickle brine is not one of my favorite things. Remove the pot from the heat and let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes. Remove any foam that may have formed. Add some food coloring. Use an eyedropper to transfer the mixture to the molds. If you don't have gummy worm molds, you can pour your mixture into a baking pan, then cut it into pieces once it sets. Leave the gummies on the counter for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to the fridge for another 15 to 20 minutes. Once they're fully set, remove the gummies from the mold. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchava. So that's a thing. It's got that chewy, springy quality of a gummy, but with the tart, salty taste of pickles. I mean, considering the ingredients, I'm not surprised by any of that. As I said, I like gummies and pickles, so I'm not mad at this, but I just don't think I'll ever make them again. And that's okay. If you're looking for something a little different to share with your compadres, you really ought to try these. 3/4 cup of strained dill. Leave the gummies on the counter for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to the